Good morning, everyone. So Aaron here from Ultra RC Hobbies, and we have the brand new updated version of the Slash 4-wheel drive VXL from Traxxas. So before we get into the unboxing video of this brand new Slash 4-wheel drive, we just wanted to mention that we're still on the road to 2,000 subs. We're at like 1,900 and some. So we're getting closer and closer. Remember, at that 2,000 sub mark, we will be doing a giveaway. So thank you everyone that's already supported the channel. And if you're new to the channel and haven't watched any videos and are interested, click that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything else that we post for content. So getting in now to the Slash 4-wheel drive VXL update. You might be asking, Aaron, what did they update? This platform's been out for quite some time, and what can they change? Well, the platform has been out for a while, but let's get into it and see what's changed. So first things up before we get to the truck, we got the Traxxas TQI transmitter. So this is the Bluetooth 2.4 gig transmitter. The cool part with this transmitter is it does have the ability on the back side to put the TQI Bluetooth module in it, so you can hook up an Android or an iPhone device and set it up for endpoints and changing all of your other settings. Plus, if you want to add telemetry, so speed, temp, anything like that, the app also helps you achieve that with a screen on your phone. Next thing up, we have the typical quick start guide. We also have the new updated page for the update, so the clipless body mount design, and then we have a battery foam, some shock spacers, the extra speed pinion. You're also going to get a 1.5 to 2.5 mil Allen key, as well as some turnbuckle wrenches. So nothing too crazy there. But the moment everyone's been waiting for, what the heck did they update on the Traxxas Slash 4-wheel drive VXL? So the body looks the same, wheels and tires look the same, but there's one big difference right off the bat with this new body. So now Traxxas, instead of forcing you to buy the clipless body mount design separate, they're now pre-installing it. So all the new Slash 4-wheel drives with the 68-1 part number will come clipless body mount design. So on the inside of that, you're going to have all your clipless mounts, and then you're going to get a new shock tower mount as well for the clipless design. So they changed a couple other things now on the truck. So getting away from the clipless body mount design, this truck does not, and I repeat, does not have the extra heavy duty kit, but what it does have are some couple updates that we've seen on a lot of other trucks like the Rustler 4-wheel drive VXL that kind of help with durability. So first things up, we are getting the brand new, I'm going to call them cold weather plastics or heavy duty, not max duty, but heavy duty drive shafts, the same ones that the Rustler has. And then we're also getting the new Rustler 4-wheel drive arms. So the biggest thing with the Rustler 4-wheel drive arms is they are cold weather plastics. And what that means for anybody here in Canada, we get cold, right? And with a high graphite content like the factory arms were, when they got cold, they shattered. In hot temperature, they didn't flex and kind of have the bend that we would see if you were running in plus 40. Here in Canada, that's not an issue we see a lot of the time. So the cold weather plastics do have a lot more nylon in them, and they stay a lot more flexible and durable. So that's a huge positive if you are going to be running in colder temps like we kind of have all year round. So another thing that we do have here is the 2075 steering servo, which is waterproof plastic gear. Waterproof receiver box with the 6533 TQI TSM receiver. So this does have the Traxxas stability management. So there is a gyro built into that receiver so it knows where the car is flat and the front of it is. So if you turn the gain up on that gyro, it'll actually essentially correct you and make your car drive straight. If you want to play and do donuts and drift and all that fun stuff, you can turn that knob down. And that is just the multi-function knob here on the transmitter. So up gain to 100% or down gain to 0. So that's how you play with that TSM function. You are getting the full VXL 3S. So this is 2 or 3S capable. You can also run NIM batteries on it as well. Just make sure to put the speed control in low voltage detection off. This is going to be a 3500 kV motor. Same thing we've seen in a lot of the other VXL models. All of this stuff is waterproof. This car does require a battery and a charger as well. So just keep that in mind. We are getting the standard oil-filled Ultra shocks with about the 30-weight shock oil in them. And we are getting the factory ring and pinions that we've seen all throughout this model, greased rear end and a 60K front end. So that's pretty much it. The new 4-wheel drive Slash does come with a little bit of a heftier price tag in comparison to the old one with the Clipless body mount design and the new updated shafts. But from our experience, the updated shafts did make a big difference for durability and more long lasting, especially if you do want to run more on 2S or the higher voltage 3S. So that is the brand new, let's say brand new updated Slash 4-wheel drive VXL from Traxxas. This will be available in all the same colors we've seen last year, so the orange, Fox, and the Vision Racing model. So if you would like to check one out, or if you'd like to convert your Slash 2 or 4-wheel drive to Clipless body mounts, we also do have those parts in stock to get it closer to this truck as well. So thank you everyone so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And like I said, we're on that road to 2,000 subs, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.